Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some easy and delicious carne asada nachos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright, so we're going to begin by prepping our carne asada. So here I already have my steak cut into small cubes. Going to season it with some chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cumin, oregano, salt, and black pepper. As always, the exact measurements will be in the description box. So we're just going to give it a good mix. To that, we're going to add our orange juice, lime juice, avocado oil, chopped onion, cilantro, and minced garlic. And we're just going to mix it all together until everything is nice and coated. In here you can cook a little piece just to see if you need to adjust the salt. But once we have that, we're just going to cover it and allow it to marinate overnight or for at least 30 minutes. Alright guys, and once our meat has marinated for at least 30 minutes, we can now get ready to take it to the stove. Alright, now for my nachos, I like to make my own tortilla chips. So before I cook the meat, I'm going to be deep frying them. So here I have my tortilla triangles. My oil is nice and hot. We're just going to throw them in and allow them to get nice and golden. And after a couple minutes, we have our tortilla chips. Now we're just going to remove it from the oil and just drain as much oil as possible. Alrighty, and once we have our tortilla chips, we can now get ready to cook our meat. Okay, so I'm going to be using the same skillet. I have it set over medium-high heat. Now I'm just going to add my meat. And I'm going to be cooking it in batches, so like that the meat grills and not boils. Okay, we're just going to give it a couple minutes and allow it to cook. Okay, so after a couple minutes, our carne asada should be done. Of course, make sure to check it. And now we're just going to remove it from the heat and repeat the process with the rest of the meat. Okay, and once we have our carne asada, we can now get ready to put our nachos together. Alright guys, so to layer my nachos, I'm going to begin with the layer of chips. I'm going to top it with some refried beans. And of course the toppings are going to be all up to you and what you want. I'm going to add a mixture of queso Oaxaca and medium cheddar cheese. Going to top it with our carne asada. Going to add another layer of my chips. And we're just going to eat this as a family. So, but of course you can always make them individual. Okay, repeat the layer with the beans, more cheese, more meat. And we're going to add a little more cheese on top. Spread the crema mexicana. Top it with some pico de gallo. And of course some guacamole. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super easy to make. It's so flavorful, so delicious, and it is perfect right now that the kids are home. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make my super easy and delicious carne asada nachos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.